Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, let's continue chapter number 9. Creepy crawlies. In the previous class, we have learnt about the creepy crawlies, animals that moves very slowly, and the insect that are tiny creatures and nocturnal insects that are active during the night. So let us learn about social insects. Insects like bees, ants, and termites are called social insects. They have a social structure that include a well-defined system of division of labor. Means they are social insects are those which are very hardworking and do physical work. First example is ants. Ants live with many other ants in group. They are not live alone, so they are live in group. There are three types of ants. First is queen ant, male ant, and worker ant. Most ants eat everything. Ants eat everything. You all listen the story of ants also, and what we learned? Hard work. Honeybees. Honeybees, they live in groups within hives. Honeybees also live in groups. There is one queen bee and the rest are worker bees. Queen bee lays egg and the worker bees collect food and protect the colony. It means there are two types of bees, queen and worker. Worms. Some small animals like earthworms, leeches, millipedes and centipedes are not insects. These are not insects. They are worms. So what are worms? Worms are small animals with long tube-like and soft body. Their body is divided into many segments. So worm's body is divided into many segments, and each of the segment has a pair of legs which help them to walk or crawl. With the help of these legs they can walk, crawl and move from one place to another. Spiders, scorpions, crabs and prawns are neither insects nor worms. They belong to a group called arachnids. A spider has 8 legs. How many legs of spider? 8. And what it produces? It produces silky thread and makes a web to trap insects. So in this way a spider makes web with their legs to trap insects. Useful insects. How they are useful? First is honeybee. What do honeybee? Honeybees suck nectar from flowers and it produces honey for us. Butterfly, pollinating the flowers which help the plants or flowers to grow. It helps us to grow. Silkworm, we get silk from cocoon of silkworm, which produce cloth of silk. Some insects are very harmful for us, like mosquito, housefly, and the wasp. The bite of wasp and bee is called sting. When any wasp or bee bite us, that is called sting. And what is the result? It is very painful and it causes itching and redness of skin, and sometimes a person suffering with fever because of sting. Housefly. So what is housefly? Is a dangerous insect. The tiny housefly is also a dangerous insect. Why? Because housefly harm the others. When they sit on uncovered food, they transfer the germs by their legs or mouth. When they sit on uncovered food, what they transfer? Germs. How? With the legs or mouth. So when we eat, on eating this food, we fall sick. When we eat this uncovered food, so what happened? We fall sick. So to keep us safe, we should keep the dustbin covered. Keep the food covered and don't eat uncovered because it makes us sick. So thank you, students.